And today I'm going to discuss very important thing around the Java master documentation. I hope you have seen my previous videos where I've explained what content I'm providing via this package. There are a lot of things that I've discussed around this documentation, but we are continuously improving this document. We are adding more features and more documents and more ways to get placed. Ultimate goal is to get you placed by giving you full resources around the Java and Java backend roles, plus helping you to apply for the jobs, get referrals, and get in touch with HRs for your interviews, right? So, in that series, I'm just going to tell you a few things around the document first, and then I'll walk you through what we are adding the resources for it, additional resources that we have added, right? So this is our complete package where you see different things regarding core Java, right? Version specific things. So this is one thing. You get the DSA concept, microservice architecture in detail, important concepts on WebSocket, REST API, and Git, right? These topics I've already discussed in a lot of my previous videos, right? So here you also get around the this new section has been added around the React, right? So you get complete information around React, the uh, main features, how to run this, right? What are different ways, different concepts around it. So you get full information around the React. Plus, I will not discuss much around document. You can go through my previous videos because I've discussed this a lot more. But this video is very specific to what I'm going to share next, right? So so this is what I really wanted to discuss today. We have added a new very special resource around the system design because nowadays a lot of questions are coming from the microservices design patterns, right? So through this small PDF, which is around I would say 17 pages, right? You get a lot of information. So you can join my Telegram and YouTube channel through these links, right? Apart from this, I'll tell you the content that we have. So you get this table of content where different design patterns for the microservices is mentioned, right? Saga, Chords, API gateway, right? Stranger pattern, a lot more things. So this is complete, explained. I've spent time on this, creating this document, right? Providing all the details that I can provide you so that you understood these topics well and go for a really good package and understand these topics so that you can also implement in your projects, right? So everything, each document, each graph, image created for this is very special, and I believe you will not get these very easily in a normal packages, right? So this is really well document around the system design. This will for sure help you to understand and crack your system design interview rounds, right? Because see, concept wise, I'm giving you this, plus in the Notion template that I showed you previously, right? There are actual system design questions and how to tackle those. So you get combination of both that helps you to land a really well job, right? This is one document complete. I'll show you. So you can see along with the explanation concepts, I've tried to put out figures, pictures, right? So that you understood these topics really well, because it's very important nowadays in AI era, right? Where you understand the crucial things. You should get lead over others if you want really get job in this competitive market, right? So this is what I've tried through this document. I hope this will help you. Okay, so many things you will get. So this is around the document, around the system design documentation. Plus the other document that I've added is a lot of people are facing the JavaScripts, right? Notes around the JavaScript. So this is another documentation I've added, really curated with all the concepts and the code snippets, right? So you get complete information, complete documentation. You don't have to go through different platforms to understand this topic or the examples, right? Just open the documentation, go through line by line, spend some time, and you will have complete information. You are ready for your interviews, whether it's a Java full stack. Even if you're going from Java full stack, right, they will have some questions from the JavaScript itself, or the React, or whatever front end framework we are using, irrespective of that they are going to ask you JavaScript questions. So this is well documented for those needs only, right? It covers everything around the JavaScript. So this is around 34 pages, right? And with the proper explanation covering from very basic things to moving to the advanced level in this document. Okay, so you get this access via complete package. Okay, so this was newly added. I hope you will like it, and it will help you to crack your interviews, right? Just wanted to show you these things what we are actually providing in this package, apart from these normal documents that I've already shared around the git and all, right? Now very special around the HR details. Okay, so for this I've added few things. It is still in the pilot because we are collaborating with a lot of students who are get placed in the companies to help you to get referrals in those companies. Okay, so if I show you, I'll just open this documentation itself. Okay, you get HR details for sure. These HRs, right? Names, company, and all, and we are increasing this list for sure. um, by tomorrow you'll see a lot more updates in this field, right? Apart from this, we have created this new tab inside this Excel sheet only, where you get referrals available, right? So each month we are collaborating, we're finding out what are jobs in the market and can we refer you for that. So this will always be first come and first serve basis, right? It won't be necessarily that you will get, but we'll try to get you place. Sorry, I think my tab was not shared. Now this, you see the HR details you get. So this list is going to increase. Apart from this, referrals available every month, you will see some referrals here based on the requirement or the possibility that we have, and we will try to refer you. I'll say this is not guarantee, but we will try based on the your resume and how well suited for the job, right? So it will help you to get referrals also. This is not, I would say, guarantee, but yeah, you can fill the form. We will check from our end if you are well suited for the job, and we still have chances to get you uh, referral for that. So we will try to provide you referral for that, right? So this is another initiative that we are adding through this package. So I hope you have seen these contents, right? Now coming back to the complete package, you see a lot of these questions. Like, just open another document, REST API, you get everything. You don't need to be like uh, looking for different websites or going to different platforms, right? You have to be here and you are getting everything. So this document covers everything important of REST API. You know how important this topic is for the interviews. Apart from this, uh, you get SQL questions. That is really important, right? And these are scenario based. Like, you have logics, uh, you have some tables and there are logics that it asks, right? If this is scenario, what logic you will apply. So you understand not only the questions, but how logics are applied behind this. So it is categorized into easy, medium, hard level things, right? Apart from this, the another document that I would say is really important, and you will love that document. It is around the I mean, all of these documents are very premium actually, but this Java project structure, right? This is another well curated document that takes a lot of time and help you, because we are trying through this small package at a very minimal charges, we are trying to provide you best resources, right? My team is working day and night to make these things uh, to the next level. So we are adding these contents. See, this was another thing. If you are unaware of the project, or even not completely have industry level experience, or even if you have industry level experience, right, sometimes you miss the very crucial things which is really important for your interviews, for your projects. So through these documents you can sit for some hours and you will get complete information. See, I've discussed everything, the project structure, what are the basic standard, right? So you get complete information. You don't have to run here and there if you're getting this package, right? Everything is explained in this document, right? There are so many documents, you just have to sit, open and read, understand, and apply for the jobs. Even in your job application, we are trying, we'll try to take it to the next level. right? I get a lot of comments around package, right? Sir, can you decrease the prices? Earlier it was this, now it has increased, right? Let me tell you, see, we are continuously adding content, and if you're someone who got this document at very early, you are getting everything within that price range only, right? But as we move forward, in next upcoming days, you will again see prices going increased for these documentation package, right? Because we are adding more contents, there are more work around it, team is working, so we need to accommodate those things. But for sure, as of now, it is available at very minimal charges, right? So you can get this and focus on. So I hope um, these documents will help you. So prices as of now is at very minimal. In upcoming days, for sure, it is going to increase. So take this opportunity before we increase the prices. I want you to get this document, have it with you. You know what is going on in the industry, right? You never know, like, when you have a job and when you don't have, right? So be prepared. Even if you are having job, get this document. Always be prepared for your interviews, right? So that you don't have to be struggle for these things, right? So that's all for this video, guys. I hope it helps you. For any query, you can comment, and we'll try to respond you. So before we
इफ यू वर बॉर्न बिटवीन 1980 एंड 2000 तो एक्सिस मैक्स लाइव लाया है एक सॉलिड टर्म प्लान फॉर स्मार्ट.
Hi everyone, welcome to the video. If you're a fresher or someone who is stuck at low salary or trying to switch your job looking for better roles at Java full stack developer,